Hey there! You're seeing this page right now because you want to know how you can run your own event and do it successfully and profitably. Running your own events can be rewarding only if you know how to do it right. Most people know how to host a seminar or talks, but few know what it takes to turn it into a truly profitable venture. Even fewer are willing to share their trade secrets. Well, good news! In just a few minutes from now, you'll gain access to insider knowledge on how you too can start your own highly profitable events. Before I dive into the details, here are just a few things you need to know about running your own events. 1. Organizing your own event doesn't have to be difficult. The reason most new organizers struggle is because they have a knack for making simple things complicated. 2. You can make it profitable. There are many ways to host your own event, but in order to monetize it, you have to design your events specifically and preempt your audience way before they sign up for it. Do this wrong, and you'll be in for a losing venture, which is absolutely no fun at all. That is why I created this crash course training on how you can make event organizing easy. You will learn things like how to plan your event. I reveal the 3 main business models to starting a local live event and how you can make it both an enjoyable experience for your participants and profitable for you. How to plan your behind the scenes. Even if you have no prior organizing skills before, I show you how to prep your logistics and minimize cost carefully so it doesn't eat into your profits while not compromising on quality. How to seat participants for your upcoming event using online marketing techniques and tried and tested campaigns. How to attract sponsors. This model alone is worth the price of this entire course and more. How to sell on stage. Another module that is worth its weight in gold. I show you how to make your offers on stage or live at the event, converting your audience into frenzy buyers. And a lot more. Just as important, I also show you how to make your event fun and memorable for your participants. If you're a coach, trainer, speaker, or have a message to share with others, this is a must-have guide. Most people have to learn through trial and error and spend tens of thousands of dollars in tuition fees, involuntarily. Fortunately, you can save yourself the guesswork with this crash course on how to make event organizing easy, fun, and rewarding. Get your instant access by clicking on the order button. You will get the course via secure server.